I trusted her more than anyone. Emily was my world, my girlfriend of 6 years, my best friend, my future. We built everything together. The apartment, the business, the dreams. We were supposed to get married next spring. Then I found out. It started small. Missed calls, late nights, half-truths. She said she was working late, or helping a friend. But one night, I followed her. She wasn't working. She was in a downtown hotel, with him. My business partner. My best man, Jason. My stomach twisted, but I didn't burst in. No screaming. No confrontation. That night, something broke. But I didn't cry. I planned. I waited 3 months. Pretended I didn't know. I smiled. I kissed her. I made her breakfast. I bought her flowers. All while collecting every detail. Bank records, shared passwords, hidden messages. She thought she was clever. But she never noticed the keylogger. Or the camera hidden in our bookshelf. Every lie she told, I documented. Every time Jason stole from our company funds, I tracked. They thought they were careful. They weren't. And when I had everything, I pulled the trigger. First, I sent anonymous emails to our clients with video evidence of Jason cooking the books. Then, I forwarded proof of Emily's affair to her parents. Her dad, a devout church elder, cut her off instantly. Within 48 hours, Jason was under investigation for embezzlement, and Emily was jobless, homeless, and abandoned by her family. But that wasn't the end. The final blow came at our company's annual fundraiser, an event I let her plan for months. She arrived in a stunning red dress, expecting to play hostess. But when the lights dimmed, the projector lit up, not with the company promo she'd edited, but with a slideshow titled, "Loyalty, a Dying Art." The crowd gasped. Images of her texts with Jason. Video clips from the hotel. Footage of Jason transferring funds. Then came the silence. She stood frozen, pale, trembling. Jason stormed out before the video ended. I took the mic and said, "Unfortunately, betrayal is expensive. But enlightening." Then I walked out. By morning, I'd already sold my shares. The business, liquidated. The apartment, sold. I moved across the country, started over, quiet, calm, and finally free. She called once. I didn't answer. She wrote me a long email, begging for forgiveness. I replied with just one line. "You taught me what love is not."